Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal Seva Daftar YouTube channel. Before I start, I will request each and everyone to just subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new law videos or any videos relating to legal talks, so that you can get instant notification and you can watch it over. So, rather wasting much time, let me share my screen. Uh, yeah, so I have shared my screen. So I believe you could see the screen, and the thing which you are written on it is in regards to the iPhone. Today topic is something related to its same. The topic is something like that. If you are carrying an iPhone and if you receive any harassment call or any threatening call, how you will cope up with that same. So, ladies and gentlemen, today's topic is how, as a person, you will cope up with the threatening and the harassment calls from the any scammers or harassers or any persons. So if you can see my screen, it's already written in bold that do you know your iPhone doesn't have inbuilt call record system. So the motto of recording the today's topic is on iPhone is because that in today's scenario we are seeing that as we are moving with our generations, the scammers and the fraud activities are happening much way higher as we predict and we think of it. If you take up the details in the last financial year, and if you see the record that the frauds which has happened in our country is something of 75,000 or near to about 73 to 75,000. So this is something related to scam and fraud. However, as a in person, we also see that apart from the scam and the frauds which are happening on day-to-day basis, we as a person also receive the threatening calls from any unknown numbers, and now that unknown numbers can be this can be classified into certain parts, and that parts are something that number one, that person can be a scamster, that person can be a fraudster who are trying to malgain your you and your thoughts by giving you belief that you will receive certain service either in loans or any monetary terms or any other service. For example, if you want the servicing of any of your fridge or your washing machine or any kind of the customer service, so it can be categorized into this. The second category is that a person can receive a harassment call, and now that harassment call be either from if your mind is different from the another person in a political belief or thought. So any person who are related to the political background might give you a threat. The third category in harassment call is something the if a person is in a living relationship or a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Take the example, I'm just taking up the example. So if there is in a breakup of relationship, a girl might receive threatening call from her the other counterpart boyfriend, and it can be a vice versa also. uh, wife can receive a harassment call from her husband, or a husband can receive a harassment or threatening call from a wife, as the case maybe in matrimonial part also. And the other case may be from the rent in a landowner. If you are staying in a rented house, so these are certain situations where you, or from scenarios from where you might receive a threatening call or harassment call. So the concern is simple. If you are carrying a iPhone or Android phone, so how you need to cope up in both situation. So today I will be talking about that same. So if you are carrying an iPhone, if you're carrying an iPhone, then in that scenarios, what you need to do, you are receiving a threat call. So when you receive any threat call, in a 99% cases, we have found that many of you panic because you are not accustomed to the situation and the scenarios where you might believe in the fact that you may receive the threatening or the harassment calls, because you are accustomed to the fact that yeah, the numbers which you are saved in your mobile is mostly of your friends, your relatives, or your known well-beings, and you don't know that, or you are in a faith and a belief that the numbers which are saved, you might not receive from them. However, sometimes it can be a vice versa situation. You don't know that the numbers which you have saved in your mobile, and if your thoughts and minds clash with that person, you might receive either from a known number or from an unknown number of same known face. So whenever you receive any calls, just record that call. You don't need to be a panic, and with that proof, you just need to approach the police. So if you're Android user, in every Android user phone, we have an automatic call recorder system. So using that automatic call recorder system, you can get the call recorded automatically. You don't need to record every calls whenever you receive the call from any person subsequently in different periods of time. You just need to on your automatic call recorder system on, so that whenever you receive any kinds of call, your call will be recorded automatically. So these things you need to be aware of if you are an Android users, because in many time we tend to not bother of the fact that no, we don't need a recording system in don't need to record the call, although we have got the facility of recording system in our mobile phones, being an Android user. However, 99% of cases we have found that the users are hardly bothered in these cases. But when it comes to your safety, and if you receive any threatening or harassment call, then the recorded call will be the only first and the sole proof which might save your back having the ball in your court when you approach the police, because you can't approach the police until unless you don't have any authentic uh, proof in your hand. So this is something, whenever you receive any call threat, you just need to not to panic, just record the call and approach the police with the proof. Now when we say about that the Android users has inbuilt call record system or not in their phone, yes, the Android phone has the inbuilt call record system in their phone. The automatic call recorder option is there. You just need to go into your call settings, and you have that option of record calls for auto recording on. So you just need to make the mode of auto recording on for always. No need to off it, you need to on it, so that whenever you receive any call, so that the call gets recorded automatically, and you don't have to record after every calls whenever you receive. So just go to your call setting and record it with the auto record call option on. Now, the issue arises with the iPhone users who are carrying the iPhone with them. Why the issue is with them? Because iPhone doesn't have the inbuilt record system. They have to be dependent, and they have to be dependable on the third party app which they need to download. Now when they go for the third party app download, those apps are not free. Those apps are comes with paid service. So in short, no doubt we have a fantasy of using iPhones. However, we tend to use iPhone, but when it comes of our safety, we iPhone doesn't save us in recording those calls whenever we receive any call from any third persons, or the harassment calls or the threatening calls from any kind of person. So for iPhone, you have to be dependable on the any third party apps, or the with the using the Google Voice free method. But it's limited to inbound calls only, not for every calls, only inbound calls if you will be using the Google Voice option on option or not. So in short, you have to be depending go for depending upon the third party apps, because you don't have any other options to saving your backs when you receive any threatening calls from any person. So yes, if you're iPhone users, you are in a big problem, and this is a fact. Yes, we have a fantasy of using the iPhone, but on the other side of point, we are in a big problem. So if you'll ask me what I use, I don't no doubt I also have a fantasy, but I still use Android phones. And whenever I need to connect with any persons, may it be the clients, may it be my office colleagues, may it be my family relatives, or anyone, my call record system, the inbuilt system, the automatic call record system is always on. It's 24/7 on, and that's what you need to do for yourself. Also, if you are an Android user, just make it 24/7 on. No need to close it off, because you might don't know when what call you receive at what time from what person. So you need to be alert, you need to safeguard your back, you need to have proof if you fall into prey of any person. And if you don't have any proof, police will also not take your case seriously. And even courts, if you have any, if we get into any serious concern, even courts ask us a proof. And without giving the proof to the judiciary part, the case are not registered. And we have certain examples of that same. One example I want to highlight you in this one example I want to highlight you is that one of my friend used to live in Hyderabad, and uh, in a in a rented home. So due to this pandemic, he failed to pay the rent to her the owner, the landowner, the landlady owner. However, he promised the landlady owner that he will be paying in a certain month when he have the amount. However, the lady was not happy with the body approach of my friend. So she started to harass my friend over the calls and try to bully him. And my friend, no doubt, tried to say her that he will pay the amount by next month. But the scenarios doesn't stop there. My friend again received a call from an unknown number, and this time the call was from the lady husband to my friend. In this scenario situation, what happened that the husband said that you tried to bully my wife and you tried to sexually harass my wife over the call when she was asking you the rent amount. Now my friend was in the backhand, because when he received the call prior to that guy, from that lady, he didn't record that call. Now the husband was trying to bully my friend, that if he doesn't pay the amount now in next to next day, then he might approach the police and get it record that he tried to harass my wife with the certain foul languages. So in this case, my friend, who was also one of the iPhone user, fall into the prey of the harassment call, and no doubt he was helpless to safeguard his back. So in this situation, what I want to highlight, that if you are an iPhone user, no doubt you have to be dependable on the third party apps. Just take up the service. However, I'm not demotivating you of not using the iPhones, but you need to be alert. If you are using the iPhone, you need to be alert in these scenarios. Take up the help from the third party apps like Tape a Call or the call recorder. If you can see in my screen, I have already highlighted two apps like Tape a Call and call recorder, which can record both incoming and outgoing calls. However, in your iPhone, however, these apps are the paid service app. They are not for free. And if you are not an iPhone user, then the Android users who are using it, you are on the upper hand. You just need to make the automatic call recorder on 24/7, just to make yourself in a safe hand. So this is something which I came today with, something new, and which I believe that each and every users, may Android user or iPhone user, you need to be safe, because the situations which we are going through is now grim, because in last 2 years we have entered into a pandemic situation. No doubt the pandemics are still not over, and in this pandemic situation, the scamsters are in around, the fraudsters are in around. They are scamming people either by giving a fake service or the customer service. And if I recall, if you or any of you are seeing my video, and if you are my Facebook friend, you can see my two posts I have posted last week. One post was regarding the fake customer care service which one of my friend has received, where he was lured for the amount of rupees 4,000 for giving a service, means for his washing machine. A fake company service guy called him in the name of LG, gave him a fake bill, and he received a few person knocked at his door and gave a fake service and lured the amount of 4,000. And my friend was feeling helpless in that situation, because in this pandemic situation he had no other option, because the LG, the main office customer service, was not picking up his phone, or he was not getting the service on the time, so he opted for the private service. But you need to be my motto was something, what I want to convey is that you need to be alert in these situations. You need to be alert from the scamster, the fraudster. And the other post, if you if you go through my Facebook post, you might see that a threatening call has came into my family only. So in that situation, my family member was not alert that yes, we have these certain service. And as I was highlighting to you all, that we are not accustomed of the fact that we might receive the threatening and the harassment call from a known person or from a third person. So we don't use the inbuilt service from the mobile phone which we are receiving. But I want to convey to each and every viewers who are seeing this video that you have got the inbuilt service in your mobile. Use it 24 into 7. Just go and make it in on mode, because you might not know what can happen next. Your views can differ from the another person views. So it can you might receive or you might not receive. uh, in any situation you can receive either your thoughts are getting clashed with another person, or you are getting harassed by your landowner where you are living as a rentee. You might receive threatening call either from your wife or either from your husband in a domestic violence scenarios. In this situation also you need to be alert over the calls. You might receive the threatening call if you're into a living relationship as a boyfriend and girlfriend. If you're living and your relationship is not going into a cool motion, so in that situation you might receive a threatening and the harassment calls. And if you fail to record these situation and scenarios over your mobile phones, then you can't safeguard your back. You can only safeguard your back until and unless you don't have your proof, because the judiciary system asks for the proof, and the police will not register the FIR until unless you give them the proof. So now if you ask me how to register the FIR, I've already made a video on how to register the FIR, and you can see the videos of the section 154 and 155 also, and how to register a FIR also in the previous videos. So this was overall how to deal up with the situation. And so I believe you liked the video which today I am sharing with you all. So as an iPhone user, how you need to be alert, and as an Android user, how you need to have alert in these scenarios and situations. I believe you are now accustomed of the fact. So whenever you approach the police, I believe now you are accustomed of the fact how to approach the police. So whenever you have approach the police, I believe at certain situation when you don't have the proof, you might fear. So in that scenarios, go and knock your lawyer friends, whoever you have with you, uh, because your lawyer friend can be helpful to you and guide you in a proper way how to approach the next course of action. So never fear. If you are fearing to approach the police, just knock the door of your lawyer friend. So do say me how you like this session, and don't forget to comment what topic you want to learn next, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also, this is the YouTube link where you just need to go and you need to subscribe. You need to click on the bell icons. This is the page which you can go and like, and this is the contact, the email. Feel free to mail us if you have, if you need any service, if you have any queries in regards to any thoughts, just you can WhatsApp us, you can call us, you can mail us. So this is something which I came up today. Don't forget to give your feedbacks and share the video with your friends. Till then, uh, have, till then, goodbye, stay safe, and